The hike is real. Khun Korn hike. No joke.
What?
No joke, this hike.
Yes.
You know why? We weren't ready for it. We're imagining it's easy. Caught us off guard. Yeah, I'll sit down. I'm not trying to die. Yeah, keep going, Nancy. I'll wait here for you.
No, you know what you do? Just walk one.
No, there is no such thing.
Oh, that's what I call it.
Not when you're going up that kind. It's a good workout. Elevation. But the good news is, when we leave, it's all downhill. The reward is gravity is our friend then.
$600 meters. Man.
Not too bad.
Tungas kilometro hapit na. Unsa kalajuan na to? Tabok pa dong sa ato. Doon na.
Don't fall.
Oh, I know why. The pathway is this way. Because probably it's not very steep if they make it like roundabout.
Yeah.
Look downhill.
Yeah. We're spoiled though, hon. Don't get too excited. We've seen shit in Hawaii that beats this.
But problem in Hawaii, you can't never get to it.
Yeah, close.
You can't get up close.
Yeah.
This is
Yep, that's right.
you can really
Get into it. Yeah.
Yeah, you can really enjoy it.
Here we are, Khun Korn Waterfall in the Thailand Nature Preserve. A very arduous hike to earn our passage. Yo! Okay, let me finish my filming.
Just here.
Okay, I'm filming. Please don't shut me down.
Yeah. But this here. Oh no, stand there. Can you just stand there?
Please just let me capture this, or you shove me to turn it off.
No, never mind.
I can tripod it.
Can you stand there?
Yeah.
No, here.
Where?
Right there. One. Look at me.
Okay. Turn that. Khun Korn Waterfalls. I love you. I'm here to swim. Woohoo! Come on, Yancy! Fuck it, I'm going in. I don't come to Thailand to watch. I come to participate. Yes, sir, blassa. Check the pockets for any belongings. Nothing. We go. Yee-hee. Kipono, Molokai. Hawaii represent. Maui boy here in. Yeah. I love it. Beautiful. Cold on my nuts. Woo! Woo! Here we go. Very powerful. Ah! Yeah! Woohoo! Come on, Nancy, let's go! Let's live our life. Nancy, go in there! Yeah! What? What is she got? Some guy hitting on her? What? Who's talking to? Nancy, come in here. Oh, your phone. Don't worry, dude. We can do this. Look at, watch, Yancy. You got it? Yancy. Go inside. Go in, quick. Dive under. Do it. You only live once. Live your life. Come on, I want to see it. You're young and strong. Get inside. Get inside. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Woo! That's how we live life. I love it. Look at the Filipino boy. Filipino boy in Thailand. Yeah. Ah! Oh yeah, you're gonna want this film. Look at that. I gotta clear the lens. You're gonna jump? Are you gonna belly flop? Wait, check for rocks. Check, Yancy, maybe rocks. Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't. It's fucking rocks. Too shallow. Yeah, great. Swim, hon. Yeah, real quick. I don't want to dilly-dally because I need time to dry. This is still on. What do you want? I'm going to stand here.